What's up, shredheads? Welcome back to the channel. This is the JackRabbit XG and OG. These are the world's smallest electric bikes on the market. Today we're going to be doing an overview, comparison, and first ride, so let's get started. The OG retails for $9.99. XG retails for $1749.99. The OG weighs 24 pounds. It's got a 10-mile range with a max speed of 20 miles an hour. It's got a 300-watt motor. The battery is a 36-volt, 4.2 amp-hour battery. What are you going to do if you run out of battery since you don't have pedals? You just use it like a scooter. They've also passed all the CPSC UL2271 and UL2272 battery safety certification. The OG has a rear mechanical disc brake. It's got a quarter twist thumb throttle. The charge time is 3 hours. The frame is made out of 6061 T6 aluminum alloy. The rear tire is a 20 by 2.5 all-terrain tire, and the front is a 20 by 1.95 all-terrain tire. The supported heights are between 4'10" and 6'2". Got a max weight capacity of 240 pounds. And here's the airplane bag for the OG. You take the battery with you on the plane and the bike goes under the plane. Now let's check out the XG specs. It's got a 500-watt motor. It's got dual 36-volt, 4.2 amp-hour batteries. Right here we have a multi-function backlit display. We have a quarter twist thumb throttle. We got headlights and rear taillights. Charge time is 3 hours. The frame is made out of 6061 T6 aluminum alloy. The XG has front and rear mechanical disc brakes. The rear tire is a 20 by 2.6. The front is a 20 by 2.6. It can take riders between 4'9" and 6'6". I'm 5'11". Max weight is 275 pounds. All right, that overview is done. Let's get started on some speed tests. All right, guys, we're gonna start off with a speed test on the XG. We are gonna start it off on the high mode. We got the GPS tracker on, so let's see what our top speed is. I'm guessing 20 miles an hour on the dot. I am 5'11", 150 pounds, so let's see what we get. All right, there we go. Oh wow, the acceleration on this guy is pretty good. And I do have about 60 PSI. I just felt the limiter kick in at 20.9 miles an hour right there. I'm wondering if there's a way to get into the display and actually crank it up a little bit and take off that limiter. Guys, if you know how to unlock this bike, let me know down in the comments. Dude, it feels so nimble, this little thing. The seating position on this bike is super comfortable too. Speed test is done. All right, that was a little baby brake check, but for the mechanical disc brakes, I definitely grabbed okay. I would like to switch them out to maybe like some Magura MT5s for fun. So our top speed on the high mode was 20.9 miles an hour on the dot. So let's switch it from high. Let's try mid now and see what our top speed is. The throttle's not working on mid. Maybe you gotta, oh yeah, you kind of got to push off to get it to kick on. All right, well anyways, so now we're in mid mode. All right, so top speed on the mid setting, we got 18.9. So now let's go to the eco mode. All right, so top speed in eco mode, let's see. Oh, it feels really slow already. All right, we're gonna cap it there, about 16 miles an hour in eco mode. All right, let's see how this thing handles in the grass actually. Oh, it's actually not bad at all. Oh, that hurt my biscuits. Dude, this thing definitely has some pretty good torque. Oh, uh-oh. Dude, the XG rips. That is so much freaking fun. Hill test, I guess. All right, not bad. I don't think we can get any steeper than that. And check out the turning radius on this bike. Steepest part of this hill right here with some speed. Yeah. Oh my God. It's what we call the Nat Geo here in Lewis, Delaware. That's what it looks like riding at 20 miles an hour. Let me know what you guys think about the JackRabbit XG down in the comments. Let's go hop on the OG and check out speed tests on that. Now we're on the OG, we're gonna do a full throttle speed test. We only have one mode on here, so to get the bike on, you hit the power button right down here on the display. That's gonna be your readout for the battery. So let's hop on this. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, the takeoff is not nearly as fast as the XG, but the seating position on this bike is definitely pretty comfortable too. I got the seat up a little bit. My knees aren't like super duper bent. I can definitely go up a little bit higher on the seat. We just hit 20.2 right there, and that was our cut off right there. So 20.2 miles an hour is going to be the top speed. Let's do a little brake check right here. So this bike does have just one mechanical rear disc brake. So we're going to top it out and we're just going to grab that brake as hard as possible. and limiter right there. So let's hit the brakes now. Oh, that's a very long slide there, guys. That was probably about a 30-foot slide or more. Just found out if you remove the battery on the XG, you can see the controller in there. There's actually two controllers, or 22 amp controllers. To remove the battery on the OG, it does have a key, but you can switch it to the latches like the XG. Where you get the key in there, twist, and pull straight up. And for the XG, you have these little latches here. It makes it so much easier to remove. Twist them both, and you can pull them straight out like that. That's your both batteries. They just added an extended battery pack. So each pack will give you about 20 miles range. So if you do 2 extended battery packs on here, you could get about 40 miles range. If you want to walk around a group of people, it's nice that you can turn the whole handlebar sideways. You can put the pegs up too. All right, so now you got the bike all folded up nice and you can walk around big groups of people and not worry about hitting anybody. Let me show you guys how to do that on the OG. You're gonna wanna loosen the stem, hit that little locking button. Make sure you pull it out a little bit, turning sideways like that. Lock up the stem, and just like that, nice thin profile. To fold up the OG, you're gonna wanna get the handlebar out, flip the stem backwards, lower the seat all the way. I like to turn it backwards. And then you can either clip it like that and call it a day. Super lightweight and very portable, guys. And then here's D getting on the JackRabbit OG. She's 5'2". And now here is D getting on the XG at 5'2". Oh, let me see if I can wheelie this thing, because I know everybody wants to know, Shreddy, can you wheelie the XG? I don't have the brake cutoff disconnected, but I can still try it with foot drags, and my rear brake's on the right. I think I could probably wheelie this if I had the brake cut off. Now, riding these is kind of like a fine line between an e-bike and a scooter, so I don't know where these bikes really fall into. Maybe like a hybrid type, like scoot bike or e-scooter bike. You do have to have pedals on your e-bike to be considered a bicycle legally. Damn, these things are so awesome to have around campgrounds like this, just to rip around, getting from places really quick. Oh, that thing is cool. I could probably pull that on the e-bike. Make sure you guys stick around for some more videos with the JackRabbit. We are going to be completely changing these bikes up totally. If you guys have any suggestions for us on modding these JackRabbits, definitely drop them in the comments below. All right, guys, that's gonna be the end of that video. Let me know what you guys think about the JackRabbit OG and XG down in the comments. I definitely had a blast on these things. The fact that they are so lightweight and so portable. I love the fact that you can throw these into the back of any size car you have, and you can literally have fun anywhere with these. So if you guys enjoyed that content, please consider subscribing, hitting that like button, and ringing that notification to be notified when I'm making videos. And are you guys ready for the moment of silence for that subscribe button? In 3, 2, 1, hit subscribe, heads down. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next JackRabbit ride.